Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore website backup using jetbackup 5 on Netlight System hosting. So if you got a hosting plan from Netlight Systems, you can restore your backup in case maybe you mistakenly deleted some files, or maybe you were hacked, or some mails, you mistakenly deleted some emails, database or whatever. You lost any of your data. You can easily get them back from jetbackup 5, which is installed in our cPanel. So first thing you want to do is to log into your cPanel just like this, and you scroll down to jetbackup 5. You see it here. Don't use any of these other ones, please. Don't use backup. Use jetbackup 5. That's what I've configured for our servers. So you click on jetbackup 5. You wait for it to load. Okay, so you click, just go straight to full backups. You can see that several backups there. See monthly, weekly. So automatically there are some backups that we take on our server that I've programmed to take on our servers weekly and monthly. If you want the daily backups, there's a special add-on you need to buy for that. You need to buy the daily premium backup, but by default, even if you don't buy the daily premium backup add-on, you still get the weekly and monthly backups from on our servers, just because you have a plan with us. So let's try to restore one of those backups. Click there. You click on the backup of your choice. Maybe you can see there are different days. There's 16th of May, 23rd of May, 28th of May. You pick what you want. Let's restore. Let's use this, which is very recent. Then you can click on restore. Then you can decide to you can decide to restore all your the whole cPanel data, the files in like the file manager, the configuration of the cPanel, maybe like password, those kind of stuff, database users, domains. If you have more than one domain, you can decide to restore just one domain or restore all of them. But on this cPanel, we have just one domain. If you move your mouse over the question mark, you see it gives you more information on the items. 4 items here. This is one item here. You can also restore your email accounts, like what is in your inbox and everything. So in case maybe some of your inbox have been deleted, you can restore it to how it was on that particular day. But if you, for example, you might just want to restore your files and maybe your emails are up to date, so it won't be nice for you to also restore your email, because you take your email back to that day. You get, so the emails you receive between that day you are restoring to and now will be gone. So I advise not to restore your email if you know that your email is intact. So the best thing is basically restore what you need. So in my case, I just restore just the home directory files. I don't want to restore the database or the email address. I like the email address. I like the email accounts the way they are right now. I have recent emails, so I don't want to restore it back to how it was maybe yesterday or the last time this backup was taken. So let's assume I'm just restoring just the home directory files. That's the file manager only. So you leave that and you click on restore selected items. So it says successful items added to the queue successfully. Okay, so that means you go to queue. So you're already in the queue. This is the queue. We are at the dashboard for now. It has taken us to the queue, so you can see that the restore is in process. Of course, depend on the size of your files. Depend on the size of what you are restoring. So it will take longer time. If it's a large file, it will take longer time. If it's maybe you just have few files in your file manager or your cPanel, it will take lesser time. So that will determine the time. So let's wait. Okay, it's complete. The files are not so much. You will find out that these files have been restored if you check your file manager. So let's go to the file manager. Let's see. So it's just restored to how the files were on the 28th of May, right? Yes. So you go to your file manager and you will see files are there. Okay. All right. So that's how the files were the day that the backup was taken. So that's it. That's all. Very easy to restore backups on our server. The server has been set to take backups automatically already, so you don't need to do anything. Once you buy hosting with us, the backups are being taken weekly and monthly. So all you have to do is to come here and restore the backup if you ever need to. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe.